Today, I want to show you how to use your handwriting packet. So, whenever we do a lesson where you have already done that page, like I know that you've already done letter C in your yellow book. So inside this book, we did Magic C a long time ago. So what we can do is practice it more inside our handwriting packet. So I went to the letter C page in the handwriting packet, and I'm going to have you do this today too, okay? Because I know you've done it inside the yellow book. And this has directions for you on each of these sections that I want you to follow. This is called a fading alphabet. So you'll notice that it starts with a lot of directions, and then it kind of fades away until you're doing it all alone, all by yourself down here, okay? So this says trace over each letter with your finger. So I don't need my pencil. I'm going to put my pencil down. I'm going to trace with my finger. Okay, and the reason that there is a 1 here is because it is step 1, and there are some letters that have more than one step where you do pick up your pencil. But letter C, we don't pick up our pencil. We just do one thing. We just make a little curve, little magic C. Now it says trace inside each letter with a pencil. So that was finger, now pencil. I'm going to pick up my pencil, and I'm going to trace and trace and trace. And I started up at the dot, just like I do in my handwriting book. Okay, you can keep going with me. Ready? The next one says trace inside each letter with a pencil. Same thing, but it's smaller now. Makes it a little bit harder. I'm going to trace inside all of these. And I'm working really hard to stay inside that C and not go out of it. And I hope that you're doing the same. Now I'm going to trace each letter with a pencil again. And notice this is a little bit trickier because it's skinnier. It's hard to keep your pencil inside the lines on this one. And you can follow right along with me, like I said. And you can pause anytime. If I'm going too fast, you can pause and catch up, okay? Now I'm going to trace again, and this time they're taking that line away from me, making me do it on my own a little bit more. Now it's just dots. Okay, I'm going to do all of those. Notice that I start at the big dot. With a C, we start up at the top every time. Now, write each letter starting at the dot, and I don't have anything to trace. I have the dot to remind me where to start, but that's it. There. Got it. And last one, write 7 letters in the lines. 7 of them. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do not just write the C one time. You're writing it 7 times. And I start up at the top, just like the other ones. I remember where to start now because I just did it so many times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So every fading letters page is just like this, okay? You trace with your finger, you trace with a pencil, and then you keep tracing with less and less support until you're all on your own at the end, okay? So anytime you've done a page inside here, don't skip the assignment. Go to your handwriting packet and practice the page in your handwriting packet.